Air is life. Yet air is often polluted. Panasonic Air Conditioners brings you total air solutions to improve your indoor air quality. Nanoe technology effectively deodorizes and inhibits growth of bacteria and viruses and removes dust particles. Nanoe X contains 10 times more OH radicals, which enhances its ability to remove odor. OH radicals react to the hydrogen contained in the pollutant compound, and they return to air as water. Nanoe, which are smaller than steam droplets, reaches deep into fabric and effectively deodorizes, keeping your home fresh every day. Nanoe X purifies indoor air, which helps to reduce the risk of allergies, making living spaces cleaner, especially for children. Nanoe G removes dust particles as small as PM 2.5. Nanoe G ions attach to dust particles, which are then trapped in the filter, keeping your surroundings clean. Switch on Nanoe mode even while you're away, so you can come home to clean, fresh air. Airflow control delivers comfortable, cool air. Sky Series delivers fast cooling at startup. Radiant Cooling directs cool air towards the ceiling and walls. The new Skywing is now improved with bigger and more vanes, which can spread cool air wider and further for improved all-round cooling comfort. For Aero Series, Aero Wings compresses cool air at startup for instant cooling relief. It then directs airflow upwards to evenly shower down cool air for better cooling comfort. At Panasonic Air Conditioners, we improve the quality of air so you can improve the quality of life. Quality air for life.
Panasonic.